Hey everyone, so this will be a quick unboxing of the brand new, just came out today, Friday the 24th of September here. Brand new iPad 9th generation one. This is the base model, not the iPad mini of course, but the base iPad. So $330. What these guys start at here. Of course your paperwork, so you still get the charger, of course, and then also the charger here as well, the plug-in there, so cable and charger. And then of course what we all actually care about here is the iPad itself. So this now has 64 gigs, if I'm not mistaken. Last generation only had 32. So of course you have your spot here for the keyboard, your power button, headphone jack still, so that's good, mic, volume rocker, and then you have dual speakers, but they are both on the same side, which is kind of a disappointment. Wish they would have moved one on either side. And then of course your cable jack there. And then of course the back has the Apple, and then you also have your camera there, and still has the camera up top. They have not yet moved them to the side here. And once you plug it in, it of course turns on right away. And we now get a nice hello. And we're at 87%. So there you guys go. Very quick unboxing there of the brand new 9th generation iPad. Cannot wait to test this out. Stay tuned to my channel. I'm going to be doing a whole bunch of comparison videos and speed tests. Whole bunch. So yeah, stay tuned. We'll see just how good this iPad is. I'm really excited compared to my Tab S7 Plus, because I know this has a very good processor in it. And of course, the Tab S7 Plus has a very good processor in it. So we'll see, if this for $330 is actually faster than that for well over double. Yeah, guys, like I said, stay tuned to my channel. A whole bunch of videos will be coming out here. Alright guys, thank you all very much for watching. As always, I appreciate you. See you all next time. Goodbye.